For decades, she was just a doll. She was a symbol of impossible standards, sparkling outfit, and life where every day was the best day ever. But 2023 Barbie movie gave her something she never had before, a soul. Barbie is not just about pink convertibles and perfectly arched feet. She is a journey of self discovery, the courage to face reality, and the radical act of becoming human. Today, we are deconstructing the Barbie blueprint. We are diving into her evolving mindset, the powerful symbolism behind her iconic aesthetic, her complicated relationship with Cain, and how her transformation teaches us to find our own purpose in a messy world. Stay until the very end because I am going to share how you can bring Barbie's anything is possible energy into 2026 to help you navigate your own journey of growth. Let's jump into the pink. Chapter 1. The Mindset of Anything is Possible. From Perfection to Purpose. Barbie's original mindset is one of the unbounded potential. In Barbie Land, she is a doctor, an astronaut, and a president at all once. This is not just a fantasy, it's a representation of the idea that women's identity is not singular. She teaches us that you don't have to choose one path in life. You can be whatever you dream. However, her true growth happens when she moves from perfection to purpose, when she begins to think about death and imperfection. She is not losing her power, she is gaining depth. This teaches us that embracing imperfection is ultimately growth. Being human is not about being perfect, it's about experiencing the full range of life, the good, the bad, and the messy. She shows that self awareness is first step towards true liberation. Chapter 2. The Symbolism of Pink. Pink as a tool for empowerment. In a Barbie world, pink is not just a color, it's a statement of joy and visibility. For a long time, society told us that serious people should not wear pink. Barbie flips that narrative on its head. Her aesthetic is a reclamation of femininity as a source of strength, not a weakness. Her styling philosophy is about intentionality and self expression. Whether she is in a professional suit or a ball gown, she wears her outfit with a sense of pride. To incorporate this in 2026, don't view your style as something you do to please others or to fit into a corporate box. View it as your armor. If wearing your favorite color makes you feel like you can't take on the wall, then wear it proudly. Barbie proves that you can highly intelligent, deeply thoughtful, and still absolutely love the sparkly side of life. Chapter 3. The Transformation to the Human World. Facing the Complexity of Reality. Barbie's journey into the human world is a lesson in perspective. She arrives expecting to be welcomed as an icon, but she finds a world that is complicated, unfair, and deeply flawed. This transformation is painful, but it is necessary. She moves from a life of passive comfort to a life of active choice. This phase of our life teaches us that growth happens outside the comfort zone. When we encounter challenges that we did not expect, we are forced to redefine who we are. For Barbie, becoming human means accepting the beauty of aging, the reality of emotions, and the power of making your own choices. She reminds us that the struggle is where the story actually begins. Chapter 4, The Relationship with Ken. Finding Individual Identity. The relationship between Barbie and Ken is one of the most important parts of her arc. For most of the movie, Ken exists only as an accessory to Barbie's life. But Barbie's realization that Barbie is Barbie and Ken is Ken is a turning point for both of them. She encourages him to find his own identity away from her. This is a vital lesson in healthy boundaries and autonomy. Barbie teaches us that you cannot be someone else's entire world and they cannot be yours. Love is not about possession or dependency. It's about two individuals growing alongside each other. By setting him free to find himself, she actually strengthened the foundation of their respect for another. Chapter 5, Incorporating Barbie in 2026. Creating Your Own Dream House. How do we take Barbie's journey and apply it to our life today? Number 1. Define your own success. Don't let society dedicate what your dream house should look like. Build a life that aligns with your values, not someone else's expectation. Number 2. Choose visibility. Don't afraid to take up space. Like Barbie in pink, own your presence and your passion, even if they are not considered the norm. Number 3. Prioritize self discovery. Make time to reflect on who you are when nobody is watching. What do you love? What do you want to change? Number 4. Supports others in their growth. Just as Barbie encouraged Ken to find his own path, be the person who empowers the people in your life to be their authentic selves. Sushan, the world is yours to design. Barbie reminds us that we are not just characters in someone else's script. We are the writers, the directors, and the stars of our own life. She started as a plastic icon, but she ended as a human who chose to embrace the mystery of being alive. This is the ultimate beauty of the human experience. We have the freedom to change, to the courage to fail, and the power to start over. If you are ready to stop playing the role and start living your own truth, hit that like button and tell me what is one thing you are choosing to change in your life this year to be more you. Let's share our goals in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more blueprint on how to own your power and design your future. Until next time, stay bold, stay kind, and remember you can be anything. See you in the next one.